Hello and welcome to another video. This is Milian Beg here, and in this video we will be talking about how you can start your own e-commerce business in UAE. So make sure stay tuned till the end. So first of all, I want to tell you, conducting any sort of business activities in the UAE without having a professional business license is strictly prohibited. So make sure comply with the local laws and play safely. So the first step in order to start an e-commerce business in UAE is to have an e-commerce business license. E-commerce business license can cost you between 5,700 dirham and up to 200,000. The cost of the license depends on the size of your company, business categories, product categories, employment visas, and emirates where you are going to get your e-commerce business license from. You can get your e-commerce business license from any of the free zone of any of the emirates of the UAE. For the time being, there is a package being offered by Sharjah Media City Free Zone which will cost you 5,700 dirham without any visa. So if you already have a resident visa and you are a resident of UAE with the Emirates ID, you are eligible to apply for this license. If you want to apply for this license, you can find the link to apply online on their website. You can find the link in description box below, and you can send your details and they will get back to you, and there you can get your business license online, or you can visit Sharjah Media City Free Zone office in Shams Free Zone area. So step number 2 is to open your business bank account. Opening a business bank account in UAE may be quite challenging for you, but there is a solution. If you have a business license from a free zone, any sort of business license, you can open your business bank account online. You don't need to visit any of the bank in a UAE. You just have to download and install Mashriq New Biz app on your phone, and you have to upload all your business data, and within the next week your business account will be up and running, and you will be able to send and receive payment online in the UAE and outside of UAE under your business bank account. Step number 3 is to have your own e-commerce business website. In the UAE, most of the people are just thinking like selling on Amazon is just running a e-commerce business, which is a completely wrong statement. Amazon is just a part of e-commerce industry that you cannot rely by 100%, because Amazon have a very strict policies. Like if you are selling brands on Amazon and you do not have a invoice from authorized supplier or a vendor, then maybe you will get your account blocked by Amazon and you will lose all of your data and all of your inventory over the Amazon. So it's the best practice when you start your e-commerce business. First of all, you must have to have your own website, so you can list your products and you can have 100% control on your data. There are many platforms that you can choose to create your e-commerce website, like WooCommerce, Shopify, OpenCart, Magento, and there are many, but I prefer personally WooCommerce, because on WooCommerce you get 100% control over your data and flexibility of designs and the cheapest solution that you can rely by 100%. Because if you will create your e-commerce website on WordPress, you will have a plugin and many options available to integrate with the third-party platforms like Google Merchant, Facebook Shop, Instagram Shop, Stripe Payment, PayPal Payments, shipping companies, and there are many 100 plus apps and tools that you can integrate with WordPress to grow your online store. If you don't know how to create your own e-commerce website and you need one for your business, you can contact me on my Instagram. We will provide you the best service with the best price in the region. Step number 4 is to establish a payment gateway. Payment gateway is a way to receive payments through your online store. Like if you are running your website on Shopify or on WooCommerce or any other platform, so there you will have an option where people can buy your products within the online payments like PayPal, Stripe, or any other platforms. Fortunately, in the UAE you have option of Stripe and PayPal. Stripe is the #1 platform platform over the world where you can accept almost all cards over the world, and you can accept all sort of currencies. And also you can create your PayPal business account in the UAE, and you can integrate both on your website, and you can start accepting payments on your website. Step number 5 is to set up your shipping company account. Finding a shipping company with the cheapest and best service solution is quite challenging, because in UAE you will find the same service within the lowest price and within the highest price as well, because they are just tweaking with some sort of mentality. So you just have to do your own research, and you have to find the best service provider within the less price, and you will be able to find the least price and the best service in the UAE. And if you do not want to research, I recommend you to open your shipping account on Emirates Post. Emirates Post is a semi-government company, or you can say private company, that allow you to send and receive parcels over the world. You can send documents, parcels, and any sort of things over the world. And the prices of Emirates Post are also just reasonable, and you can afford for the startup. You can apply online, and you have to fill up all your business data, and within the just week they will allow you to send and receive parcels over the world. And you can integrate these services in your website directly. So when someone will place order on your website, there you will get a notification, and the shipping company will also get a notification, and the represent from the shipping company will come and collect your parcel and deliver to your. So these are the 5 main steps in order to start your own e-commerce business. So if you are really interested in e-commerce business, make sure to subscribe my channel, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question. And make sure to subscribe, because in the future I will upload more videos with the practical of creating a website, and with the third-party integrations, and e-commerce marketing, and also selling on Amazon, Noon, Dubai Store, and other platforms as well. So e-commerce is a big industry, and if you are still not leveraging from this industry, you must have to have started with this industry. Or another industry that I recommend by 100% to start is a digital marketing agency, which is currently I am running. I am also running an e-commerce business in UAE, and I am selling on multiple platforms also. But I prefer to start digital marketing industry, because in a digital marketing industry you get more profit and less headache, and in e-commerce industry you have to make more sales in order to get more profit. So this is for now. If you find this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and follow me on my social media. We'll see you in the next video.